25th January 2023 for 5 mining blocks. For that, today, that is 28th of February, pre-bid meeting has been held. 16 companies have participated in the pre-bid meeting, and there are written queries that have been received by the department. And today, this meeting was basically familiarize them on the auction process. There was a presentation done by the transaction advisory SBI CAPS. There is a presentation done by the MSTC on the auction process, how it takes place on the auction portal. Now the bidders have that till 17th of March they have time to purchase the bid document, that is per block per tender it is 5 lakh rupees, and 27th March is the bid due date for submission of technical documents and initial price offer. Thereafter technical evaluation will take place. Then April 17 to April 27 is the auction window. That means by 27th April we will be completing the auction process of the 5 mineral blocks that are put for auction in the second NIT.